Here's to the conscious lead her, the one who doesn't settle but leads, lives and thrives with purpose. She doesn't ask, how can I be great? But instead, how can I bring greatness to those I lead? She isn't driven by fear, insecurities or doubts. She's motivated, determined, courageous, relentless. She rises when others fall, standing back up, fierce, unbroken, with a heart full of fire. She doesn't just break barriers, she redefines them. She doesn't blend in, she stands out, proudly authentic. Her curiosity knows no bounds, restless for better questions, better answers, better ways. She collaborates not out of necessity, but from knowing true greatness is never achieved alone. She leads from within, sacrificing the ordinary for something extraordinary. She chooses abundance over scarcity, integrity over shortcuts, and courage over comfort. She's not afraid to fail, seeing failure not as an end, but as a spark for a transformation. She sees possibilities where others see obstacles and builds futures instead of waiting for them. Here's to the conscious lead-hers. They aren't here to play by the rules. They're here to rewrite them. They're the ones who won't stop, who won't settle, who won't give up until the world is different, better, because they were in it. Here's to the women who lead, not because they have to, because they know they must. Here's to the women who make it possible for others to rise. The world needs her, as we are her.